Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. And in this video, I am paying homage to the one, the only, the OG, the dog father, Snoop Dogg. Dog. Hey, Snoop Dogg. Y'all see it? I got some Snoop inspired press-on nails from Shein. So when I saw these, of course I had to get these. I am a West Coast native. Snoop is my favorite rapper. So let's get into this tutorial, cuz. This is about to be the most gangster tutorial I've ever done, cuz. I got my blue rag on, cuz. I'm just playing, y'all. But yeah, let's get into the tutorial, cuz. Okay, so first off, Shein does not show these nails as Snoop inspired nails, but I mean, come on now, look at the nails. You can clearly see where they got the inspiration from. The blue rag, the two ponytails, the goatee, come on now, that is Snoop. Even the outfit that he got on the nails, the blue leaf, come on now, y'all know what this is symbolizing. These nails are definitely giving all the Snoop Dogg vibes, and I am so here for this set because I love me some Snoop Dogg. But look how well made these nails are. Look how glossy the finish is. These nails are not thin at all. They're thinner towards the cuticle and more firm and sturdy at the tip, which is perfect in a press-on nail. So the quality is on point for $2. And so I just sized my nail, just making sure that the nail fits well from sidewall to sidewall and fits good around my cuticle. They have a nice curve to them. I love the designs on them. These nails are very well made. But one thing that I will say is that all the pinky nails are kind of too small for my pinkies. I wanted a blue bandana nail on my pinky, but they were all too small, so I ended up just picking out two more Snoop Dogs for the pinky nails, which was still cute. And another thing that I kind of didn't like is that there's 4 nails that have bling on them that come in the pack, but 2 of them are one size and 2 of them are another size instead of them all being the same size. So since the other 2 bling nails were too small for my other hand, I ended up having to pick 2 plain blue bandana nails for my other hand. So my set is not perfectly paired, but it's still bomb. I'm still loving the nails. I think Snoop Dogg would definitely approve. So these nails came with the nail stickers and a small nail file, and I never do the nail stickers because I know that they don't last very long. But for some reason I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try these nail stickers out because I've been hearing a lot of people say that the quality of the nail stickers are a lot different than what they used to be. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna do my right hand with the nail stickers. So I basically just lined the sticker up with my finger to make sure I picked the right size for my finger. And then you just peel it off of the plastic that is on and place it onto your nail. And then it has like a little tab for you to pull the plastic off so that the other sticky side will be face up. And you just press your press-on nail onto the sticker. And it feels very weird. I ain't even gonna lie. It feel like my nail is not sitting flat. It's like kind of lifted. And I feel like it's giving press on instead of nail shop. So no, I do not approve of the nail stickies. And I definitely will be taking these off and gluing them on. But I just wanted to show you guys why I never use the nail sticky tabs. But let's continue on with our other hand. So I'm going to apply my other hand with the LA Colors Fast Action Drip Proof Nail Glue. This has been one of my faves as of recently. It definitely is drip proof, but just be careful with how much pressure you put on the tube, because how much pressure you put on the tube determines how much glue is going to come out, no more or no less. So that's why it's drip proof. So just be mindful, don't push too hard, because you don't want to have a lot of spillage on your fingernail and have to do a lot of cleanup. But yes, look how bomb that nail just came out. And you want to make sure you're putting a nice bubble of glue, not too much but not too little either. And since these nails are not transparent, you can't really see the glue spreading across the nail as you press down. So just make sure you put enough and then line that press on nail up with your cuticle area and press down and hold for 30 seconds. And also, as you're pressing, make sure you press against your side walls of your nails so that you have full coverage. And also, when I'm applying the glue to my nails, I don't put a thick layer around the cuticle area. Most of the glue is going to be from the middle towards the tip of my natural nail, because when you press, you don't want all of that glue to spill over onto your cuticle area. So just make sure to put, smaller amount towards the cuticle, and then towards the middle and the tip. That's where most of your glue should be. And just like that, all the nails are on. And now I am going to take the file that came with the press-on nails just to shave down that extra piece of nail that's always on the tip of the press-on nails. And I just want my tips to be nice and crispy and straight. So that's pretty much all the filing that I'll need to do for these nails. These nails do not even need a top coat because they are very glossy, and these nails are very well made and they are not on the thin side. So I really don't need to apply those extra 2 layers of top coat like I normally do on my nails. But if you feel like you want to add some extra security to your nails by doing that, be my guest. You can never have too much security when it comes to press on nails. But this set is good. I love a set that you don't have to do too much to. Just put them on and go. I love how this set turned out. Then look how sturdy these nails are. That nail glue definitely holds nails really well. And as you can see, the sticky tabs that I put on my right hand, 2 of the nails passed the test, but 3 of them definitely failed. They came right off. I know I change my nails like I change my underwear, but I don't want my nails to be coming off the same day I put them on. I don't change my underwear as soon as I put them on. I mean, that makes no sense. Look at my hand. But yeah, I definitely took my right hand's nails off and glued them all back onto my right hand so that they can last just as long as my left hand. And these nails came out so good. The nails will be linked in the description of the video, along with the cuticle oil and the glue that I used. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved doing it. I just had to get these nails and represent for the West Coast one time. Snoop has always been my favorite rapper, and I just love him so much. And I know this nail set was inspired by Snoop, so it was only right that I get this set and show cuz some love and appreciation. Let me stop playing for y'all think I'm a gangbanger. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.